Rachel. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. I'm really excited about today's tutorial because it is a dual team makeup tutorial. I am from Washington State and I currently live in Colorado, so my two homes, the football teams, are the Seahawks and the Broncos, and I feel like they're both my teams and I support both of them and I love both of them. And this Sunday they are playing each other in Denver and I get to go to that game and I'm so excited. So I wanted to create a makeup look I could wear to that game that would be supporting both teams without being obnoxious. So I did like a very simple, well, kind of simple blue smoky eye with colored liner on each side to represent the orange and blue of the Broncos and the green and blue of the Seahawks over here. And I am wearing my Broncos jersey because that's where I'm at right now. So let's just get started on the tutorial. I've already primed my eyes with Urban Decay Primer Potion and set them with a translucent powder. So now I'm going in with a matte medium toned blue. This is Devinah's Candy, and a fluffy crease brush. And just putting that in the transition area. And I like to do my face last, that way I can get as messy out here as I want and clean it up, and then go in with foundation. Laying down this medium blue will make sure it's a nice soft transition from the dark smoky colors we're gonna lay down. Next we're going to take a navy blue, this is Navel from Devinah, and a tapered pointy blending brush, and place it on the outer corner and drag it into the inner corner. Like I said, this is gonna be really messy, but that's okay because doing foundation second, so it will look great. And then you're going to take that fluffy brush you started with no additional product and blend the two together. And then take a flat shader brush and Navel and cover the entire lid. And blend some more. And then take a black, this is Devinah's Karma, and take that same tapered blending brush and just darken the outer edge. Then take a shimmery medium tone blue. This is STFU from Devinah, and a shader brush. Wet it and put that all over the lid. That felt great. Just stab myself an eye with the brush. And then take a wipe and clean up. Just blend out the edges so they're not as harsh. Blend until your fingers fall off, that's the key. Next, I'm going to take my Mayron Paradise Makeup Palette, and I'm going to be taking this orange shade and spraying a little setting spray on a brush and using this as eyeliner to create an orange eyeliner on the left side. And now that I've got that laid down, to make it a little more intense, I'm taking the Devinah Cosmetics Weekend Festival palette and Hippie right here and layering that on top. Wow, it's still wet. Next, I'm doing the same thing with this screen right here, and I'm doing a wing on the right eye. Then to make that the exact shade that I wanted, I'm taking the Decay Electric palette and this shade right here, Thrash, and just layering that on top like I did with the Devinah Cosmetics palette. Alright, so this is the Broncos and Seahawks side. So now I'm going to go off camera, do my base, my brows, my lashes, and then I'll be back to finish the lower lash line and finish the look. So I have my base, my brows, all of that done. Now I'm going to finish up the eyes before I move on to the face. I'm going to take a black eyeliner and put it on the waterline. Then I'm going to take Hippie on a smudger brush and run that under black liner. For the other lower lash line, I'm taking a mixture of Thrash right here and Jaded by Devinah. Then I am taking this Crystal Body Liner by NYX. It is in the shade Crystal Hip, and it is just a clear glitter liner. I'm taking that and I am tracing the wing from the inner corner to the outer corner. While this dries, before I put on my lashes, I'm going to finish the rest of my face. So first I'm going to just take a neutral beigey blush instead of a bronzer. I am taking Beige for Days from Bare Minerals and just tapping that on my cheeks. Then for highlight, I'm taking Devinah's Rapture. Then I'm going to highlight my inner corner and my brow bone with Rapture, just to tie the blue together. For lipstick, I'm going with a neutral lipstick. This look is all about the eyes and the colors on the eyes, so we're going with XYZ from Bare Minerals. And then spray the face. Now I'm gonna go off camera and apply lashes because it takes me forever, and mascara, and I'll be back to show you the final look. So this is the finished look. I used my Baddington Monroe Silk 3D lashes and I really like how it turned out. I hope you do too. That completes this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this video inspired you on how to do your makeup to support your football teams, if you have 2 teams, or if you only have 1 team, a way that you can do your makeup as glamorous and pretty instead of like face paint and ridiculous. I mean, sometimes that's fun, but you don't always want to wash face paint off, and sometimes you just want to be pretty but still support your team. So I hope this helped, and don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button if you have not already. Go Broncos, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!